Welcome to Alikare, and I'm Thea, and I'm here again with the next intriguing video for you guys. So I want you to listen carefully, and remember, if you're new here, don't forget to press the subscribe button, don't forget to comment and share, and just remember, a good act of deeds will bring you joy and also more blessing to your life. So share the video and subscribe, and also recommend your friends to come and watch on your family. Now, I know you see the tagline, so you're saying, what? Yes, what? As you know, I'm a massage therapist, and I also give beauty advice and healthcare advice, and I'm doing it for a long while, even before I come on YouTube. So even me myself, I am a single person, so I can relate to people who I know are doing this stuff. Okay, so I'll try to be a little bit more clean with this video, and I hope you listen to understand. Yes, addicted to touching yourself. There are many people addicted to touching themselves, and especially this time of year where we're going through this crisis, where we're at home and most people just can't seems to satisfied or find themselves comfortable with whichever. I won't put any baggage on anybody's shoulder or assume or any assumptions to say why they do it or justification, but some people can't do it the one partner, and so they will turn to themselves. Some people just turn to themselves because it's a bad habit, and some people are just single, and when they get in that mode they end up start doing that stuff. Okay, so what am I really getting at? During this period of time, it's not easy to open up yourself to someone, but what do you do with your feelings? That moment when it hits, what do you do with it? Some people start off doing one and two of that touch, and then later on it becomes an addiction. And this can mash up your life. It can mash up your life because if you don't do that, you know, you'll be missing yourself, and missing yourself even when your spouse is there. You will still have your spouse, but you still want to do that because it's a different type of feeling. It's different from when somebody actually doing it for you. So what can we do to avoid it, or even to slow it down? And does it affect our life in a medical way, or should I say physical way? Yes, it does affect us physical way, health-wise. It does affect us after a while. Now, they said that we as people supposed to have an orgasm, and having an orgasm is healthy because it lets your body feel free from stress, and it also helps with prostate cancer, and it also helps with you know, just a normal, because you know that's what we human were made for, to come together and find a partner and so forth, because it's part of our life, right? So when we're not doing certain things like that, we become a little bit anxious. We have anxiety, depression will come in, low self-esteem will come in, and just the burden of just wanting someone to fulfill that enjoyable moment. Even if you don't ready to be in a committed relationship, or you don't ready to explore that side of the world, you just turn to that because it's easy, it's more private, and it's just, you just love yourself. Okay, how can it affect us? The arteries in our body, when the blood circulates through the body and detoxify the skin, it have a different toxin that is circulating until you flush your bladder or you go to the bathroom and pass it out. It's just like your body is cleansing. But when you keep on straining the arteries to you know, we don't need to, the body naturally relax and releases by itself. It can cause premature ejaculation for male. It also can cause anxiety and it can cause depression for male. It also make you don't function properly. Like, you just don't function. You'll be at home working and all you want to do is go on the cam view to view somebody doing that to excite you so you can get a good, you know what I mean. So you like those things, just the visual of doing that camera wise, whether it's with people from all over the world. Like, for instance, have you ever been on Facebook where you see people from all over the world calling you, and when you turn on you answer the call, is somebody without clothes on showing you stuff, right? So basically that's what I'm talking about. They are so addicted to that because maybe their culture don't allow them to date and so forth. They seek cam view for those excitement. So people who are addicted to touching themselves, you should get help. You can get help by a psychiatrist, talk to someone, and you can also do a lot of meditation. Lately, I've been putting up some meditation music. Let me know if you enjoy it. Let me know if you want more. I'll continue to do them until I hear your response. It's good. These things, when it happens, just relax, meditate, close your eyes, and just put on those music and relax. And I'm telling you, it will distract you from doing it. It helps me and it helps a lot of friends. Also, visit spa regularly. When you visit spa regularly, it helps. And find something that you love to distract yourself. If you're Christian minded, it's good to take up the Bible and read it. Trust me, it kills that feeling immediately. Call somebody you look up to, whether your grandma, your auntie, just call them. Just ring the phone. Immediately that feeling starts to come on, just ring the phone. You will forget that you want to do it. The reason being, those people are people you know like to see you naked. So because of that, it will just take away the feeling, because the brain works in mysterious way, right? It's like you feel like somebody invading your privacy. And these are some things that you can drink to help to relax you too and to take away the feeling. You can drink lime juice, which lime juice is good for you because it also helps you to reduce fat. So if you're drinking water, you can throw a little lime in the water and it helps you. I see most people putting up lemon and so forth for long standing, if you want to go long. I tell you, from I'm a child growing up, I don't know if that to work. I know it cut that energy. So whether you want to use lime or you want to use lemon, just mix some and drink it. One of the next things that help you, there is no doubt about it. You just want to throw some apple cider vinegar in some water or juice. It cut that feeling immediately and drink it. But if you drink ginger, if you drink onion, if you drink green juice, if you drink olive oil, oh man, you will just want to go at it, go at it, go at it. But try the apple cider vinegar, lime juice, or you want to try lemon in your water. Or if you want to drink it, if you can bear a cupful or a teaspoonful strong, just drink it. You will come back and cut that feeling with your meditation, going to the spa regularly, and try to talk to people and avoid all those intimate conversations. And it will lessen the feeling of you building up that addiction. And I'm telling you that addiction will distract you from finding a good person. And when you do find somebody, it will also mash up the life, because you will always hide away in the bathroom to do that. And it's a part of cheating on your spouse when you do that. So you do not want to cheat. If you're doing it to yourself continually, it's a part of cheating. And it shows that the next person can't please you. So try not to do it. And for religious reasons, some people say it's wrong. I don't know. What do you think? Comment and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. This is one of my next helpful tips, guys. And let me know, have you ever stop it?